Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download tax report from Binance. All right, so first stop, go ahead and go to Binance.com, okay, from your web browser. Now, once you're in here, just hover over your profile at the top right, okay? For US users or for Binance US users, okay, when you hover over your profile right here, you should be able to see an export report option or tax exporting, okay? Another option to do that is by hovering over your wallet. And again, you should be able to see tax report. Okay. Now, if you are from outside the US, well, you don't have that option. You can only export your transactions. Okay. And if you're from the US, you can export specific tax forms like 1099 and also MISC. For folks that doesn't live in the US, well, just go ahead over to your wallet right here. Now go ahead and click on Asset History. Now here, go ahead and go to the top right. We have here the export transaction records, export deposit history, export withdrawal history, or export referral records. Okay, let's go ahead and do export transaction records right here. You can go ahead and select from one of these time range or customized time range. Let's say for the last 24 hours, account right here, all of your accounts, including spot, cross margin, funding, all that. Okay, or if you just want to leave P2P, select all, select P2P, like so, tap away, select the coin, okay, or all of your coins. Now, once that's done, just click on generate right here, and it says here generating, okay. If you selected all of your accounts, the time right here may be bigger, so just wait for it. Now, once that's done, it says here, when your statement is ready, we'll inform you through SMS, email, or other methods. And it's important to download it within 7 days as the link will then expire. Okay, be aware of the exported data includes transactions up till yesterday, this time zone, and uses this time zone for consistency. And that is it. That is how you download tax report from Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.